Uh, these niggas think that they the illest, that they the realest. I walk up on the scene, do my thing, and then I kill it. You niggas know the name, Scooby D, I'm in the building. It's all about the green money fiends, so get the business. Smoking on the doobie, but this weed just got me too hot. Call a private jet, offer London straight to Dubai. Fuck, I'm getting rich, so you know the Chevy sky high. Bitches getting thirsty, so them highs went to goodbye. So you know I do my thing, right? Connections all in Vegas, I'm ready to hit the scene tonight. Walking in the building and yelling and kinda screaming out. Scooby, you can get it, I'm ready to make you scream, alright? So you need to mind your fucking business. If I said it, I did it in a fucking minute. So call it Jacob the jeweler and let's fucking spend it. So when I walk in this bitch, I can fucking kill it. Scooby the Kid, you better like it.